Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Big Run in Splatoon 3. Big Run is a thrilling, limited-time event where the Salmonids invade a familiar multiplayer stage. Your main goal is to work with your 3 teammates to collect golden eggs. You must meet the quota across 3 intense waves to secure your victory and earn valuable rewards. It's a unique challenge that requires quick thinking and teamwork. Effective teamwork is paramount for success in Big Run. Always maintain good ink coverage to ensure swift movement and escape routes. Focus on eliminating boss salmonids strategically, prioritizing those that are most dangerous or near the egg basket. Remember to coordinate with your 3 teammates to collect and deliver golden eggs efficiently, especially during chaotic moments. Communication is key to reaching your quota. Mastering your weapon and special usage is vital. Each Big Run features a unique set of 4 random weapons, so adapt your strategy accordingly. Your special weapon is a powerful tool. Deploy it strategically for crowd control, clearing paths, or taking down formidable boss salmonids. Coordinate with your 3 teammates to unleash specials at opportune moments, maximizing their impact and helping you survive the onslaught. For advanced play, learn the distinct attack patterns and weaknesses of every salmonid boss. This knowledge allows for quicker eliminations and more efficient egg collection. Always prioritize high-value targets and focus intently on meeting the golden egg quota for each of the 3 waves. Your overall performance, specifically the total number of golden eggs collected, directly influences the quality of your earned rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.